Got some rotoforms and a TC. Okay. First time doing a TC. What's up, dude?
What's up?
What's your name?
Carlos.
Carlos. You brought me a Scion TC with wrap. Okay, what'd you get? So this is, ooh, pink. Sick. Bro. That's what's up. Dang. Okay. So why are you wrapping your car in pink?
I saw you do the Randy's car with the purple.
Okay.
Fell in love with it. They were sold out for like a month, so I just went with the next best thing.
I know. I was so pissed off that they kept being sold out of that purple that I got my own wrap brand. Okay, but we'll use this one. So tell us a little bit about your TC. How long you had this? I like your rotoforms. These are sick.
Had it for 4 years now. Just done cosmetic upgrades, you know, nothing crazy under the hood.
Okay, and we're doing the whole thing pink.
Whole thing.
Except for the roof, right?
Except for the roof.
We're leaving the roof as it is. Do you have any body damage you want to show me?
Other than a rough front bumper.
Oh, okay, right here, right here.
All the bottom, yeah, the front. Like,
lots of bugs.
yeah.
Wow.
Drive.
Long drive, huh?
2-hour drive.
Where you from? Where you from?
I'm from Red Bluff.
Red Bluff. All right, what's up from Red Bluff? I'm gonna take this thing off, and I'm just gonna leave it off, and then you can put it back. You want me to put it back on?
However, if you want me to do it, that's fine.
Okay, we'll see how it looks. It might look good with it back on, actually. So we'll see. And then this right here. Oh, eyelids. Yeah. Sick. Okay. Are these stock?
No, they're from NIA.
Okay. You want to do that in pink too?
Yeah.
Okay. Eyelids pink. I'm taking your front license plate off. I'm going to leave it off, and then you can put it back on if you like.
All right.
Pink mirrors, right?
Pink mirrors.
Everything. Cool. And so you tried to wrap this yourself last night?
Yeah, I tried to. No joke. It was the hardest thing ever.
Yeah.
Now for the faint of heart.
But hey, it's always worth trying before you bring it to me. Yeah. I think we should have enough. You only burnt a piece big enough to do the front bumper, right? You didn't. Did you split in half?
The other half, I cut out even portions for the splitters, basically. If that makes sense.
The side skirts.
Splitters.
Where? You got splitters?
Yeah, they're in the trunk.
Let me see. Let me see these. Dang, this guy coming with splitters. Where's your front splitter? You got a front one too? Oh shit! There it is.
Yeah, my front lip and then the 2 splitters.
All right, we're doing the lip too.
Yeah.
Cool. Pink everything. Okay,
Pink everything.
I got you. Let's do it. you go. You can kind of see this finish. Looking really good. As you saw, I ended up doing this in black. This down here, the grill goes right there. I did this Scion thing in black. He's got a black emblem he's gonna put on. And then you don't really make it into here sometimes, so I just lay a black piece. All right, guys. I had to put my sunglasses on. I got my man right here. Look at me. Oh, man. I've been at it since like 8 in the morning and my allergies, and I'm just dirty. So glasses on, we're good to go. So thank you so much for being so patient with me. I told him he'd be ready today, but at 5. So it's about 5 right now. And he had to go to work the next day, so he couldn't push it back. And he had to be dropped off. So, you know, he's been chilling with me all day long. So you guys didn't get that reaction video, but what did you think in the end?
Absolutely gorgeous. Totally recommend Paradox.
Oh, thank you. You actually got to see me do the back bumper, the trunk, the side skirts. We had some pizza pockets, hella water. It's freaking hot and sweaty in there, but you know, it's a long process. It's kind of hard to do. So after you see me do it, you think you're gonna try it next time?
Nope, still no.
No?
Still no.
Yeah. So originally what you tried to do was you tried to wrap the bumper off of the car, right?
Correct.
Yeah. And tell me about that experience.
It was not stable enough. He was saying that you need to like have it on there so you can yank really hard on that, especially for this material. So yeah, that's where I messed up the most.
Yeah, so that's why I kind of like to keep the bumpers on. You can loosen it, but if you don't have an anchor point, it's so hard to do. Man, look how good this thing looks. Come here, look at this. Look at it in the video.
Oh shit, yeah.
That looks so good.
Yeah, it does.
It's like a fucking RC car or
right?
something. Bro.
It does. It does.
Dude,
That's
okay.
legit.
That's legit as fuck. So this color is great. It's not my specific color, but I have one exactly like it. Okay, I'll show you a video or a clip of like my exact color on another girl's car that she ordered from me recently. It almost looks exactly the same.
Pretty damn close.
We'll have to get some pictures from her to kind of compare the two. But man, this pink is really awesome. Look, the cat loves it.
That's not scripted.
The cat loves it. Okay, all right, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for trusting me with your ride again.
Absolutely.
Wow, this looks fucking amazing right now. Give him a follow. We got your Instagram somewhere, right?
Yeah,
okay.
It's gonna be bobat_TC.
Okay, that's what's up. All right, the first TC on the channel. So you guys need to thank him if you're trying to wrap this at home. This is how it's done. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you guys later. That looks so good. Bro, rolling? Oh my God. Bye.